The Caribbean has over 800 all-inclusive resorts, and most of them are not worth your money. But 7 of them, across 6 different islands, are so good that guests book their next day before they even check out. In this video, I'm ranking the 7 best all-inclusive resorts in the entire Caribbean for 2026, based on real guest reviews, recent renovations, and what you actually get for your money. Number 1 might surprise you. It beat resorts that cost twice as much. Quick note, prices and booking links for every resort are in the description, including free cancellation options. Let's start the countdown. 7. Hyatt Ziva Cancun. Kicking off at number 7, Hyatt Ziva Cancun. And before the purists complain, yes, Cancun sits right on the Caribbean Sea, and this resort proves it better than anyone, because it's built on its own private peninsula with ocean views on 3 sides. This is the best all-inclusive in the Caribbean for families who refuse to sacrifice luxury. You get swim-up suites, an adults-only tower for parents who want a break, and the only thing kids love more than a water park is the dolphin habitat on site. The food is where Ziva separates itself. 16 restaurants and bars, including an overwater tequila and ceviche bar that alone justifies a trip. Rooms start around $600 a night all-inclusive for 2. Not cheap, but for what's included, it consistently outscores resorts charging more. Why only number 7? It's big, it's popular, and in high season it feels like it. If you want intimacy, keep watching. The rest of this list gets quieter and more exclusive as we go. By the way, I'm working on a full room-by-room review of Hyatt Ziva Cancun. Subscribe so you don't miss it. 6. Beaches Turks and Caicos. Number 6 takes us to what many call the single best beach in the Caribbean, Grace Bay. And sitting right on it, beaches Turks and Caicos. If you're traveling with kids, this is the gold standard, period. A 45,000 square foot water park, a surf simulator, Sesame Street characters for the little ones, and certified nannies included in your rate. Included, not an upsell. Adults aren't an afterthought either. 21 restaurants across 4 themed villages, unlimited scuba diving for certified divers. Yes, unlimited. That's worth hundreds per day anywhere else, and that famous powder white sand. The catch, this is one of the most expensive family resorts in the Caribbean, often $1,200 a night and up for a family of 4. Is it worth it? If the beach matters to you, Grace Bay has no equal, and you'd otherwise pay for childcare and diving separately. The math actually works. 5. Bucuti and Terra Beach Resort, Aruba. At number 5, we leave the kids behind completely. Bucuti and Terra in Aruba is adults only, and it's been rated the most romantic resort in the Caribbean. Not by me, by TripAdvisor users multiple years running. Here's what makes it different. Only 104 rooms on Eagle Beach, one of the widest, calmest beaches in the region. No swim-up bars blasting music. No entertainment crew with a microphone. Just quiet luxury, candlelit dinners on the sand, and a staff that learns your name on day 1. It's also the first carbon-neutral resort in the Caribbean, and Aruba itself sits outside the hurricane belt. So this is your safest bet for a fall honeymoon when other islands are risky. One honest note, Bucuti runs a generous half-board concept rather than a classic unlimited all-inclusive. So check the meal plan details, link in the description. For couples celebrating something special in 2026, very little on this list touches it. 4. Sandals Grande St. Lucian. Number 4. Sandals Grande St. Lucian. And one image explains why. Overwater bungalows. The South Pacific fantasy, glass floors and all, without the 20-hour flight to Bora Bora. The resort sits on a peninsula in Rodney Bay with the calmest water of any Sandals property. You can kayak at sunrise on water like glass. 12 restaurants, premium liquor included, and here's the Sandals superpower. Your stay unlocks island hopping privileges at the other 2 Sandals resorts on St. Lucia. 1 booking, 3 resorts, free shuttle between them. Couples only, all butler service in top categories. And St. Lucia gives you the most dramatic scenery in the Caribbean. The Piton Mountains are a UNESCO site you can see from your room. Price reality. The overwater bungalows go for $2,000 plus a night and sell out nearly a year ahead for 2026. The regular suites, though, start around $700 and share every privilege except the glass floor. Quick pause before the top 3, because this tip can save you serious money. Never book Caribbean all-inclusives at the published rate. Use the comparison links in the description. They show live prices across booking platforms, most with free cancellation and book now for later. Lock a rate today, and if it drops, rebook. That's it. That one habit saves our viewers hundreds per trip. And if this ranking is helping you, the like button and subscribing genuinely help this channel keep making them. Now, the top 3. 3. Sandals Royal Bahamian. Number 3 should be familiar if you watched our Bahamas ranking. Sandals Royal Bahamian was our number 1 on that island, and it earns the bronze for the entire Caribbean. After its $55 million renovation, this place feels brand new. Redesigned suites, a red lane spa that's among the best in the region, and the trump card, your own private offshore island, Sandals Cay, with a 5-minute boat shuttle included. 10 restaurants. The Greek spot Aristos and new beachfront grill are the standouts. Plus premium drinks everywhere, no wristbands, no signing checks. What pushes it to podium is access. Nassau is one of the easiest Caribbean airports to reach from the U.S. East Coast, with short direct flights from most major cities. Maximum luxury, minimum travel friction, for a long weekend escape in 2026. Nothing on this list is as easy to actually get to. 2. Excellence Punta Cana. The runner comes from our home turf. And no, it's not favoritism. Excellence Punta Cana topped our Punta Cana ranking for one simple reason: value to luxury ratio that nothing else in the Caribbean matches. Adults only, all suite. Every single room is a suite, many with private plunge pools. On a quiet stretch of Euro Alto Beach far from crowded hotel zone. 11 restaurants. 24-hour room service and unlimited top-shelf liquor, all genuinely included. Here's the part that matters. Comparable luxury in Turks and Caicos or St. Lucia runs double or triple the price. At Excellence, couples routinely pay between $450 and $600 a night all in. That's the Punta Cana advantage. The Dominican Republic delivers 5-star hardware at 4-star prices. And this resort is the proof. If it's this good, why isn't it number 1? Because number 1 did something no other resort in the Caribbean has pulled off. 1. La Casa de la Playa by Eckerett, the best all-inclusive resort in the Caribbean for 2026. La Casa de la Playa by Eckerett on Mexico's Riviera Maya. 63 suites. That's it. A boutique adults-only hideaway where the all-inclusive concept gets redefined. Dinners designed by Michelin-starred chefs. Top-shelf everything, a private wine cellar. And, this is the unbeatable part, unlimited access to all of the Eckerett parks. That's 9 parks. Cenotes, underground rivers. The Xoximilco night experience. Excursions that would cost $1,000 extra anywhere else. Included in your rate. The service ratio is roughly 3 staff members per suite. Guests describe it less like a resort and more like staying at a billionaire friend's beach house. If your friend also owned 9 theme parks. Yes, it's an investment. $1,500 to $2,000 a night. But when you add up what's actually included, the dining, the parks, the butler service, no resort in the Caribbean gives you more per dollar at the luxury tier. That's why it wears the crown for 2026. So that's the Caribbean's best for 2026. From Cancun's family paradise to a 63-suite hideaway that redefines all-inclusive. My honest verdict. Best pure value. Excellence Punta Cana. Best for families. Beaches Turks and Caicos. Best splurge of your life. La Casa de la Playa. Now it's your turn. Which of these 7 would you book for 2026? And did I leave your favorite off the list? Tell me in the comments. I read every one. All 7 resorts are linked in the description with current prices and free cancellation options. If you're deciding between islands, watch our full Punta Cana and Bahamas rankings next. They're on screen right now. Travel far, travel smart, and I'll see you in the next one.